Let's see how to fix the errors while using shared clipboard action. Here I have example of error message. Paste from shared clipboard error. Cannot change version of packages in use, so I am getting error in string message. Like the same you may receive for recorder or as well as message box or command for any reasons. We will try to fix that. So let me go to the automation anywhere. Here I have two taskbars. One is config and another one is shared clipboard. In shared clipboard I don't have anything, so from config grid I have to copy these two lines and paste it in shared clipboard taskbar. So when I am trying to copy and paste, I am receiving unable to paste error. So in order to avoid that, you can try one more option. You can try to update the package. So let me show you how you can do that. So for that, just you need to click on this icon and you will see packages. So next, just go to the packages and go to that recorder. First you have to identify the package version from here, as well as in this taskbar also you have to, sorry, I missed out. So let me open that shared clipboard, click on this icon and go to packages. So from here also I have to validate that package version. So where is that recorder? First I have to find that recorder, and if it's a community version it's not a problem, but when you are using an enterprise version you will mostly receive this kind of errors like unable to paste, it's very difficult. So here we have a package on the config grid. The recorder package version is 2.6.1 and 714. So in the shared clipboard also you have to find out that recorder package version. If it's both are same, it will get pasted, or if something is different, it will not get pasted. So my suggestion is, now we are going to copy from here and paste it into shared clipboard taskbar, right? So both versions should be same. So make it as both same. Like I'll make this as same. Now you can click on change version. Like once you have updated, you can click on change version, so it will get saved. Now when you try to copy and paste, it will get pasted. It's very simple. First you have to click on this icon and packages, then you have to change the recorder package version. Like whatever is available in the other version, try to make the changes, and next when you try, it should works.